Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and review on my new portable waist fan. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for you, so let's go take a look at it. User manual for it. Different straps for it as well as a Type-C charger for it. So this is what it looks like out of the box. So this right here, you can actually strap it onto yourself, so that way the air is just kind of like shooting up at you in case you're in a hot air like I am here in Texas. Take this part. As you can see, it's got a battery percent of what it's at. It's a built-in flashlight, which I thought was neat. Different kind of light on there. Let's actually pick it up a little bit. It's pretty good, pretty good. So it has 5 different settings. We'll put on the 5th one. Yeah, that's nice. Especially if you're working outdoors or somewhere you just kind of need like a little fan, this can definitely help. One of the other cool features about it, it also does work as a portable power bank. So we'll go ahead and plug in our iPad to here as well so we could actually test it out. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and, this is one of the methods you can actually put it on. Let's just have it this way. All right, and there it is, and you can just kind of feel it coming up at you. So like I said, it's kind of hands-free, so that way if you're working on something, you can still feel the air and still be doing what you need to do. All right, so I went ahead and just strapped this one on. You said you can put it on your belt, you can put it wherever you want. Tighten this up as much as you like, and then just clip it down. Just like that. And then I can go ahead and just put up the speed on this. And then same thing. You can feel the air coming at you. Feels really good. So very, very cool. It does have a 20,000 milliamp hour battery built into it, so it will last you a couple hours on there, even on the highest setting. But let's go ahead and actually try out that portable charger as well. All right, so let's actually go ahead and try out the power bank on here. There it is, charging it right up. So charge your phone, keep you nice and cool. So if you guys are looking for a new portable fan, definitely go to this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below so y'all can get yours.